Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, we've not forgotten our Bbnaija lovebirds, Ike and Mercy. Ike Cries Out says Mercy's bride price has increased. Big Brother Naija 2019 star Ike Onyeama has lamented bitterly about his relationship with reality show winner Mercy. The reality star has been spotted in a viral video posted on Instagram. Shot at Mercy's housewarming party, says Mercy's bride price has gone up. ÀqCubana, who is Mercy's benefactor, is seen consoling Ike in the video. ÀqCubana Chiefpriest Mercy's benefactor asked Ike what he thinks about Mercy's bride price, and he noted that the bride price is now increasing. DJ Cuppy claims her stock price went up after a visit to New York Stock Exchange. ÀqCubana Chiefpriest replied by consoling him. He told him not to worry about anything because nobody can take her away from him. Despite Mercy and Ike's breakup rumor that spread on social media a while ago, it seems they are still going strong. And from the conversation, guys, let me know what you think. Do you think Ike and Mercy will still come together and become an item? Let me know what you think. Hit us up in the comment section below. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit on the bell button to get notification when a new story drops.